Okay, today, my friends, we have so much to do. This kitchen looks like a bomb went off. I just can't even deal with it. Yeah, I'll make the bed real quick. That won't take very long. But this is literally my main struggle and focus. This is just, I don't know what's going on here. It's the summer months. That's all I can say. Our summer months tend to be just chaotic. Everything's on top of itself. Oh, I better open those up. Just give us some air. Just want to vacuum in here. These girls are leaving grumpies everywhere. It's absolutely annoying. One of the most common questions I get is, how do we stay on top of the amount of poop these girls want to share? Well, we just, when you see it, see, you see it? We pick it up right away. We don't walk over it like I just did. So the other thing I really want to tackle is it's time to shift them into this pen here. I'm going to pull this out. This is the cover for that. We're going to cover that. I'm going to locate the black backdrop that I was using before to cover this so that at night it doesn't feel so open and big and scary for them because they're still little. And they do love jumping in here and pecking around. I'm going to leave this out probably for a little bit. But yeah, so they're going to get transitioned into here. And the reason I'm going to transition this today is because I feel as though they have gotten big enough where they can't squeeze through the little slats, which is what has been holding me up on transferring them into there for the next couple weeks. This is part of the transition period to get them outside. No, they cannot go outside yet because, to be honest, they're just still getting picked on by a couple of the bigger girls. And it is what it is. It takes a while to integrate all the chickens together. This mess is just going to be this mess. Kickstarter has ended. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, everybody who made that a huge success. Hey, girls, my little babies. Dolly, Reba, Fancy, Jolene. They're just precious. They're so sweet and lovies. If I was sitting down right now, as you guys have seen in the past couple videos, they will 100% just sit on me and go to sleep. It's the cutest thing. My other girls didn't do that. So, okay, I'm not sure where I'm going to start first, but let's just get going. Okay, let's talk laundry. Not exactly the dreamiest part of the day, but hear me out. It can be kind of magical. I mean, we take a stinky wrinkled pile of chaos and then poof, clean clothes. It's like a spa day, but for your socks. Hey, isn't tossing a mountain of laundry into the washer giving you feels like you've conquered something? Like, hello, domestic goddess energy. Somebody cue the soundtrack. We've got detergent and determination over here. You know it's laundry day when your outfit is 90% I give up and 10% I hope no one visits. Just saying. But I have an uplifting laundry routine I'd like to share with you. So, step one, let's throw in a load and pretend it's cardio. Step two, how about we add a ridiculous amount of fabric softener just so you feel fancy? Step three, how about we do a victory dance while it spins? By the way, this part, critical. Step four, fold the clothes while watching something cozy or completely chaotic. Balance, right? So honestly, it's one of the only chores that lets me feel productive without breaking a sweat, unless I'm sprinting to get the last dry sock before the chicken claims it as her new space to lay a new egg in the house. So put in the comments below. I want to hear from you. What kind of mindset do you give yourself when tackling the laundry? Please share. So here's the thing, I do have a system, sort of. Mondays are laundry, Thursdays, sheets, Fridays, floor day, bless the vacuum, and whatever that mysterious smell was under the couch. But some days are just random chore chaos, like today. You know the vibe. You walk into the kitchen to wipe counters, and suddenly you're reorganizing the junk drawer, deep cleaning the toaster. Oh, that reminds me, by the way. There is in the island an area that has gone beyond chaos, and that we will touch on that on another day. But this is reminding me, or defuzzing chair legs with an old mascara spoolie, like just these random things that just pop up. Your brain's going, this wasn't on the list, but neither was finding glitter behind the fridge. And yet, dum bum bum, here we are. I feel like sometimes the chores pick me and not the other way around. And honestly, I kind of love that because in those little unexpected moments where one small task dominoes into a full blown home refresh, I feel the most in it, like here for it, present, capable, slightly unhinged, maybe, but totally in a good way. So here's to the surprise vacuum sessions, the bonus closet purge, the why am I scrubbing baseboards in a full face of makeup kind of day, because we've all been there. And even if it wasn't planned, it still counts. And it's proof, my friends, that we are doing our best to take care of our space, even when it means chasing down a dust bunny that's clearly training for the Olympics.
Perfect.
All right, cozy crew, we did it. The baby chicks are officially living their best life in the bigger pen. And I even got the vacuum out, which means this day gets a gold star. And I hope your day does too. I swear, I started with laundry and somehow ended up transferring chickens, dodging dust bunnies, and oh, yeah, accidentally going on a spontaneous fall shopping haul. What's that you say? Mm hmm. Sorry, not sorry, which means next up is something I am so excited to share, a fall decorate with me in a whole house cozy tour. I have just been chomping at the bit to do this. So, yep, thanks to that quick little Target, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, Dollar General, whatever other stores I popped into today. That day I will definitely share later. It turned into a full blown haul situation. So we're bringing the autumn fall vibes your way. Think pumpkins, twinkle lights, cozy corners, and maybe even a plaid overload. So be sure you're subscribed, notifications on if this is content you're super excited about, and get ready to snuggle into all those fall feels. And hey, thank you guys so much for hanging out today, whether you're here for the chores, the chicks, or the chaos, or all of the above. I am so glad you're here and I am excited to be friends. So we will see you in the next one very, very soon. Bye.